with the left hand. We're gonna start with the A, repeat it. Every other note. Number 5 finger on A, below middle C, every other note. For most of the first page. So let's check out how does it go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a basic pattern. And let's look at the upper notes. C and E, number 1, 3. Go up a step. Go up half a step using the same finger. Come back. So let's practice that figure again. To learn a piece easily and well, we need to start off by identifying the patterns. So let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Keep going to the second line. It's the same pattern again. You see that? Keep going past the double bar line. And this is very similar. We're going to have a modification. Now we're going to have 3, 5, C sharp. And then C natural. If you notice the bottom notes, starting from measure 6, the last chord, A, going on, A, measure 8, A. And now going back to measure 6, beat number 3, the top note C sharp. And then number 3 finger slides over to C natural. Number 4 on B and C, D, C. Together, 2, 2, 2. Now let's try the right hand. The right hand starts with number 1 finger on A and we start with a rest. So rest, 2, rest, 3, rest, 2. Now number 2 finger stretches over to G sharp. And then we're going to cross back because we're going to go back to the same position twice, 4. And then after the double bar line, we're going to skip over to high C. That sounds familiar, right? So rest, 2 and 3, 4. Number 2 finger on G sharp. Number 1 finger G, G, G. Natural crossover, F sharp. So now let's put the hands together that far. 1, 2, ready, go. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Stretch, yes. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Number 2 finger on G sharp. Move up, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2. 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3. We're going to go on with your left hand. You're going to move number 2 finger to F, 4, and number 4 finger on E flat. So let's try that again. This is a group of 3 half steps like that. So 2. So the outside is a 6, D to B. So let's take a look. Okay, and then C to A. Can you see the outside outline? D, B, C, A, B. And now let's add the middle note. D, G sharp and B. C, E and A. And B. 2, 2. Number 2 finger an octave up. So now let's take a look at the right hand. Rest. And now the first interval is a third, but you use number 2, 1 for your fingering. So you're going to stretch. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So let's practice that. 2, 1, 2, 1. So stretch, come back, and now you're gonna pick up your hand, go to F. Then number 3, 1. Even though it's a step, you're gonna use 3, 1. C and A, 5, 3. Go down by step. And now instead of using different fingers, we're going to use the same finger, move over to F sharp and A. And right here, 1, 3. 3 on G sharp. 3, keep going. Rest, 2 and 3, 4, So let's see what we can do to add the hands together. 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Octave up, just like the beginning. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Keep going, let's go to the left hand. We're gonna go to number 1 finger on A. You just finish on number 5 finger has already been on A, so you just move number 1 finger over. 4 and 1, 2, 3, staccato. So now we're gonna have a series of fifths, starting from measure 18, A to D. 2, 3, 4. Go down a step, another fifth down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, move to E, another fifth. Let's see what happens on the right hand. So we're going to look at measure 17. We're going to pretend we're in D for a moment. We remember the F sharp, and we're also going to put number 4 finger on G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2 and 3, 4. So is the melody. Now the last note, make sure you add a D on the bottom to make a chord. Move down a step, rest, F sharp and C, and rest. Now F natural, number 4 finger, 1, 3, rest, 1, 4, D and G sharp, and then we're gonna expand C and A. Now hands together, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it for the dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy. I hope you found the tutorial to be beneficial, and comment below to let me know what your thoughts are, if you have any questions, if you need help, or if there's something else you'd like to see. So don't forget to comment, hit like and subscribe, and get notification for the next tutorial. See you next time.